Is a lawsuit filed against the Lansing Board of Water and Light about a health hazard or a drainage problem? Lansing Township is taking the utility to federal court over its landfill, claiming it's contaminating the groundwater. The township says the contamination is costing millions and could affect people's lives for years to come. But as Ann Emmerich reports, others say it's just a ploy to get the BWL to pay for a drain that's been needed for decades.
A dirty dispute over an old contaminated landfill on Lake Lansing Road. The Board of Water and Light owns it and used to dump ashes from its coal plants there until about 20 years ago when the state discovered contaminated groundwater.
The Board of Water and Light spent millions of dollars to correct their pollution problem right there. And every time you put a gallon of water on top of the pollution, it drives it deeper into the ground, which we can't have.
Ingham County's drain commissioner wants to build a drain to divert stormwater around the site, but legal fights over who should pay for it have kept the nearly $13 million project in limbo.
Lansing Township's budget is $4 million a year. We're talking 10% of our budget going to pay for a drain that is this costly because the Board of Water and Light contaminated 40 acres.
The pollution that's in there was put there by the Board of Water and Light. Kathy Rogers could never put the stormwater in there, which was she says she's supposed to be able to do. Even if it wasn't polluted, she still couldn't put the stormwater there.
Stormwater, Lindeman says, is the township's responsibility.
We've got plans drawn, we've looked at all the alternatives, and the township has an obligation to pay on behalf of the public's health, safety, and welfare.
It's not fair to the citizens of Lansing. It's not fair to the citizens of Lansing Township. It's not fair to the property owners in that area to be bearing this cost.
In Lansing Township, Ann Emmerich, Fox 47 News.
The nearly $13 million cost for the drain will be split among the city of Lansing, the BWL, and the township, with the township's portion being about $6 million, though they really don't want to pay a thing. The supervisor blames the high costs on BWL and the contamination. The Department of Environmental Quality says they're monitoring the pollution and it doesn't appear to be spreading.